Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. I'm Charlotte and today I'm going to show you around this lovely Defender 110 D240 SE in Santorini Black. This car's previously had two owners and is next due for a service in September 2022. It's done 5,871 miles. As it's part of our approved use, you get a minimum 12 months warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. So I'm going to give you a 360 tour around the vehicle and then get inside and show you all the technology it has to offer. So you have LED headlights with daytime running lights, giving the car a modern exterior. 22-inch alloys, giving the car a stunning finish. Going into the back of the vehicle, you've got plenty of space there for 3 passengers, including isofix brackets, which is ideal for families, and a centre armrest for maximum comfort. Going into your boot, you have plenty of space there for your personal items such as golf clubs and pushchairs, and you can also put the seats down if you do need extra room. Along with an electrically deployable tow bar which saves time and effort attaching one and is great for towing things like caravans, boats and jet skis. Continuing around the car, you also have privacy glass, keyless entry and fixed side steps, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. Going into the driver's side, you have electrically adjustable front seats, a leather steering wheel, woven textile seats, and a sliding panoramic roof, allowing a lot more light into the car and really brightening up your interior. So that's the end of your 360 tour. I'm now going to get inside the vehicle and show you all the technology it has to offer. On your right, you have memory seats, perfect if there's several people driving the vehicle, along with a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. Blind spot monitor, which is ideal for motorway driving and also makes it that little bit safer. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, which is perfect for longer journeys. A heated steering wheel, which is definitely a must, especially on a cold winter morning. Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go, and voice control. You have an interactive driver display where you can view your vehicle, media, trip, view and change your display, for example if you want the sat nav in front of you. You have a touchscreen with sat nav and DAB radio, along with other functions including a 3D surround camera, making parking and reversing so much easier, especially if you're not used to having a bigger car. You also have heated front seats, which are definitely a luxury in winter. Valet mode, enabling you to lock the screens where valet can only access your climate control, keeping things like your address safer. You can also control your tow bar from inside the vehicle, which saves you even having to get out. And you also have eco data, which tells you how well the car is being driven, for example if you're braking too hard. You have various different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving the vehicle, making it suitable for all conditions. A 2-zone climate control, allowing both passengers in the front to set their own temperature. And finally, a clear sight interior rear view mirror, that's your mirror that can also be a camera if you can't see out the back window. Stepping back outside the car, thank you for watching this video on this lovely Defender 110 D240 SE in Santorini Black, which is part of our approved use. We offer many different finance packages, so if you would like a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please just call 01785 899 446. Thank you.